Instrument connection, PC operation. Turn on the instrument. Plus USB to PC and devices. Launch Industrial-884X PC software. Click port on the software. If the red dot turns green, the connection is successful. Click Groups to measure after connecting. Coating workpiece with coolant. Probe vertical stability test. Press Confirm on device to sync data to PC. Tap Confirmed after each measurement. Export data once measurement finished. Save as Excel file. Share or print the file. Store multiple data sets on devices. Locate data in menu, select Group to save. Back to main screen to measure. Press Confirm to save after each test. Data can be viewed or exported from the instrument to the PC end. After connecting instrument to PC, click Read Data on PC software. Export all stored datasets at once. Save as Excel for sharing and printing.